Sa search warrant, pag sinearch ang bahay mo at ikaw ay nag-object o nagtanong sa police officer or sa law enforcement officer na nagsuserve ng warrant, ito ba ay obstruction of justice? At meron tayong kaso sa ating Korte Suprema, yung Orlando Anoos Fua, People of the Philippines versus Orlando Anoos Fua. At ang sabi ng Sandigan Bayan actually, kung ikaw lang ay nagtatanong kung nasaan yung search warrant or tinatanong mo kung nasaan yung detalye ng search warrant at tinitignan mo kung tama yung address ng search warrant, tinitignan mo kung merong 2 witnesses, isa taga-barangay, isa sa pamilya mo, na sasama sa pag-conduct ng search warrant, ang sabi ng ating Korte Suprema hindi ito obstruction of justice because you are exercising a right which is guaranteed by the Constitution. And when you challenge the validity of the issuance of a search warrant, before its implementation, exercise of a right yan. Pero pag gusto mong manalify yung search warrant, after the search is conducted, mag-file ka ng motion to quash yung search warrant doon sa court na nag-issue ng warrant or in any other court of competent jurisdiction. Ang basic lang dito yung pagtanong ng mga validity, hindi siya considered as obstruction of justice, which is also a punishable act under PD 1829.